Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make king prawns fried rice. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna pour corn oil, eggs, cooking salt, and mix together. I'm gonna transfer to a bowl. And set aside. I'm gonna pour more corn oil. Chopped onion. Chopped carrot, season the prawns with cooking salt, and stir fry. Add garden peas, the eggs I set aside, cooked rice. The recipe is in this video. Sesame oil, and soy sauce. Add chopped salad onions and mix together. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!